Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a stable baseline. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes so nothing is lost, because restores are simpler than repairs. Next, sign into a Google account and enable syncing for contacts and photos so Android can import them automatically. Once done, make sure both devices are charged and on the same Wi-Fi, or prepare a USB-C to Lightning adapter for direct transfer. This reduces wireless errors and speeds up the initial migration. Open the Switch to Android app on your iPhone or follow the Android setup wizard on the new phone and choose Transfer from iPhone. If you use wired transfer, connect with the adapter and follow prompts to copy messages, photos, and contacts. Wired is faster and preserves message timestamps. For Health and Apple-only app data, export files manually or check app vendors for Android options. Meanwhile, enable Google Photos Backup to capture the full photo library during the move. Complete Android setup by signing into Google Play and reinstalling apps. Some iOS app data won't transfer, so log in and allow restores where available. Make sure contacts, calendars, and photos finish syncing before deleting the iPhone backup. Check SMS and media for completeness. If a transfer failed, try the wired method again, export iCloud data as VCF or ZIP and import, or use Google's support tools. That troubleshooting step resolves most incomplete migrations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.